In a massive setback to the MVA and Sharad Pawar, NCP's Ajit Pawar on Sunday joined the NDA and became Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister. He took oath in the presence of Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. NCP heavyweight Chhagan Bhujbal also took oath as minister in the Shinde government. Pawar was backed by 9 MLAs and rumours suggested that he was unhappy about being turned down for the position of party state unit chief. Pawar's move comes nearly a month after Sharad Pawar appointed Supriya Sule and Praful Patel as working presidents of NCP. Pawar, who was the leader of opposition, was upset with the move and offered to resign as LOP. He was eyeing the top post in the party but did not get any favourable response from Sharad Pawar. Along with Ajit Pawar, 9 more NCP leaders will take oath as ministers. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis, along with all the ministers, reached Raj Bhavan earlier today. News agency ANI reported that NCP Working President Supriya Sule, Party Leader Praful Patel and others had also reached Ajit Pawar's residence for the meeting. However, NCP President Sharad Pawar, who was in Pune, said he was unaware of the meeting but added that Ajit Pawar, as leader of opposition in Maharashtra Assembly, can call a meeting of legislators. Earlier this week, the NCP's national executive discussed the matter of his resignation and party leaders said a final decision was likely to be taken in 2 months. Earlier on June 25, his uncle and NCP chief Sharad Pawar had said that the party would take a decision on Ajit Pawar's demand. Pawar had earlier denied the news of him joining BJP. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut had claimed recently that NCP leader Ajit Pawar may join BJP. After this, the speculation about his joining the party had intensified. In fact, news of Ajit's meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah had come to the fore, after which Raut had made this claim. Earlier in April 2023, Ajit Pawar had clearly shown his desire to become the Chief Minister.